a little bit lighter like this, right? And soften up the margin, right? So keep the margin of this light, right? Kind of soft, right? All right. So be lighter here. So lighter here, right? This I'm gonna wait because this needs to be an intermediate value, right? All of this, the neck could be slow. So it needs to be dark and it needs to be pushed back, right? So let's get also raw umber. I'm gonna block in this without painting around the nostril. That's a great thing of the direct painting. You just can't go over it. Now we're getting into
color lighter, or are you using?
so I use the same color I use for this, right? They gradually soften up. Some red, some alizarin crimson to it. They become deeper and more natural because they're not flat. The black would flatten them. Then clean up the brush when you block in this little and then eventually I smooth it later on. So now that I have this color though, I could also block is sufficient. For now, right? Because if I make it too light, it's gonna pop out. It's gonna really come off